Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove or hide border from a shape using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my shape. Now I'll remove this border from my shape. First select this tools option. Now scroll down. Here we will find this comment option. Now click on your shape and click right button and select properties and select your properties appearance option and style option. Here you will find this no border option and select OK and see this. And another way, click this border shape and click right button on your mouse and select properties and select your border color white and see this border now invisible. Also you can select here no border and select OK and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.